Hi friends, let's build Mickey and Minnie Mouse birthday train in Duplo. Emma's play zone. Train, chassis. Train, engine. Train, cab. Train, chassis. Cupcake, liner. Cupcake, batter. Cupcake, frosting. Birthday, candle. Minnie Mouse. Let's put a skirt on Minnie Mouse. Balloons. Train, chassis. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Birthday present. Mickey Mouse. Guitar. Birthday present. Pluto. Thank you for watching Emma's Playzone. Subscribe for weekly videos.